In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 water detectors available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best water detectors. The 5th product on our list is the Govee. This water detector produces a resounding alarm whenever it detects leaks in your apartment. However, you can adjust the alarm to suit your needs within 100 decibels because its alarms are very loud and can travel through the whole house at once. We like that this water detector can track and pinpoint water leakage with great accuracy and can be monitored from anywhere through your phone, even if you're not around. It can spot leakages, drip and droppings, and bursts of water anywhere around your home. We also like that the Govee water detector is easy to set up and can be placed anywhere to detect water leaks. You don't need any training to operate this water detector, as it is very easy to understand and use. Thanks to its compact design, it is portable, lightweight, small, and yet very functional. Another outstanding feature of this water detector is its long battery life. Because of its high battery capacity, it can serve you for 6 months on end without running down. However, you can know when the battery of your water detector is running down because it will give you an alert once this happens. We also like that this water detector is waterproof and durable. It will last a long time while giving you top-notch service. Its pros are, it has a very loud alarm, it is portable and compact, and it has a very long battery life. However, it has a very unconventional gateway for signal transmission. The Govee water detector senses water leakages very efficiently and can pinpoint their locations with very loud alarms, making it ideal for homes. Up next in 4th place is the SimpleSENCE. We have the product for you here if you're worried about pipes bursting in the winter. One outstanding feature of this water detector is that it detects liquid fluid leakages and freezes that are not in the refrigerator. Once this happens, it will alert you with a reasonable but not deafening 80 decibel alarm. Not only that, but you can also get alerts of leaks in your house via email or text messages. Another notable feature of this water detector is its outstanding battery life. Its battery can last for 2 years without fail and can be substituted with AAA batteries that can last the same period. More so, you can monitor the battery and Wi-Fi strength with the SimpleSENCE mobile app. And even better, unlike the previous product, this water detector does not need a gateway to operate. You can just easily connect your Wi-Fi and use the app to track the water detector's operations in your house, no matter where you are in the world. You can also choose to alert neighbors, friends, or family to help you when your water detector senses a leakage if you are not around by adding their contacts to the SimpleSENCE mobile app. That makes it ideal for when you go on long vacations or need to go on extended work trips. We like the ergonomic design of this water detector. Unlike most water detectors of its kind, it has additional equipment and attached hubs, thus making it very easy to use and operate. This also makes it portable, and because of its compact design, it can be placed just about anywhere in your house. Its pros are, it is designed ergonomically, it can contact neighbors if you're not around, and you can get alerted through multiple means. However, you cannot use it to detect outdoor leakages. The SimpleSENCE water detector is sophisticated, compact, offers you top-notch security, and is helpful to people who spend a lot of time away from home. Still haven't found a water detector that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the General Tools MMD7MP Pinless. This water detector does not just tell you when there's a leakage in your house, it can also tell you the moisture level anywhere you place it. Consequently, you can use it to test the moisture level in the wood or plaster in your house because it has 4 modes, namely wall, softwood, hardwood, and masonry. This helps you check up and prevent molds and biological degradation of household infrastructures. It will also give you loud buzz-offs when it detects moisture or leakages. Another perk of this water detector tool is that it can read moisture and detect leakages with pinpoint accuracy. It can also read very deeply and accurately find moisture lying on a depth of level up to 3/4 inches. What's more, The MMD7MP is easy to read because of its clear LCD display, which will show the readings in clear and simple numbers, and a bar that will indicate the level of moisture and the level of the battery. Furthermore, unlike most water detectors and moisture testers, this water detector does not use pins and therefore will not deface your wall. It also enables you to scan large wall areas smoothly and faster. Its pros are, it can be used for residential and commercial use, it can detect water-sodden areas in the house, and it can detect deep-lying water. However, aside from its beep, it cannot alert you any other way. The General Tools MMD7MP Pinless is a water detector designed for home and contractor use, therefore suitable for homeowners and builders. The second product on our list is the Flume 2. This water detector does not need plumbing to be fixed in your house. Attached to this water detector is a monitoring screen that can help you adjust and customize your water use. You can also get real-time notifications of leakages on your mobile wherever you are. We like that it has a long battery life that can last up to 2 years and work optimally for a very long time. You can easily attach it to the hour water meter and monitor its reading, as it will give you reports directly on your mobile. It uses Wi-Fi and does not need any gateways to inform you of leakages anytime it happens. Its advanced water tracking and detecting technology will help you cut down on water use and save money. Another notable feature of this water detector is that it can record the smallest movement of water in your house, including leaks to the 1/10 of a gallon. We also like that it is waterproof and also very durable. What's more, you can use Amazon Alexa to issue commands to this water detector, and it will conveniently carry out the instructions you give. Also, just like the SimpleSENCE water detector, you can add emergency contacts to help when you're not around, and can be contacted by email whenever a leak is detected. Its pros are, it can help you keep a record of your water use, it can detect even minute water leaks, and it is wireless and does not require plumbing. However, it is not compatible with all water meters. The Flume 2 will track your water usage and help you monitor it in detail. As a result, it will be a great help in homes that want to conserve their water use. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top water detector is the YoLink Smart Home Starter Kit. If you want the best of the best to ensure your home stays dry, safe, and doesn't cost you extra money, then this is the product for you. The YoLink Smart Home Starter Kit detects weak water leaks and gives you the info immediately. You can monitor the water leaks in your house with the accompanying YoLink mobile app, which can send alerts to your emails and as text messages. We like that it is battery powered and does not need plugging or external power sources. Moreover, it has a whopping battery life of 2 years, which can easily extend to 5 years or even more when you choose the low power mode. You can also get alarms and control other YoLink water detectors in your home without an internet connection. Its D2D device control interlinks all the YoLink water detectors in your house. This not only gives you better peace of mind, especially in older homes, but also improves accuracy and works as insurance against disaster, as you'll know right away if there's a leak anywhere. Furthermore, you can also find out the water levels of your well or even fish tanks. We also like that this water detector supports Amazon Alexa and allows IFTTT integration for a more straightforward setup and ease of use. We also appreciate the long-range connection of this water detector. You can communicate with it from a long distance and receive alerts within the same range. Overall, this is the most comprehensive product on our list, and we think it's worth the investment. Its pros are, it can be linked with multiple detectors, it allows IFTTT integration making it easier to use, and it can detect very small leaks. However, its user interface takes some time to get used to. The YoLink Smart Home Starter Kit will send you real-time alarms of water leaks in your house over a very long range, even without an internet connection. And this is why it is ideal for those living in spaces with low Wi-Fi or internet coverage. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.